How are you? Are you fine? That is very good. Allow me today to take you into another topic, and that is record keeping. Today we are going to talk about record keeping. Previously we have been talking about resources. We gave some of the examples of resources. Then after we went on and talked about each and every basic resource. Are we together? We talked about water as a resource, food as a resource, money as a resource, and so on. So today we are going to learn about record keeping. Are we together? That is good. We are going to learn about record keeping. What are records, first of all? Have you ever heard somebody talking about records? Okay, so here when they say record keeping, you simply say record keeping are documents kept for future use. Record keeping are documents kept for future use. All together, you are going to see those documents which we can keep and they help us in the future. For example, here they are saying examples of records kept at home. What are those documents your parents do keep at home? One, food. Yes, they can write down and they say, this month we have spent this amount of money on buying what? On buying food. So they write down after they keep and they see, what about next month? How much will they spend? So they can keep records for food. Then water bills. Are we together? Yes. The first month they have come, they have given you a bill of water, maybe 20,000. What about the next month? Will it be 20 or will be reduced? So they keep on keeping those records. Then if you've misused, dad or mom comes and tells aunt, please try to use very well the water than misusing. You leave the tap to pour water the whole day, then at the end the bill will increase. We have even transport as a document. We keep also transport. For example, those who travel to other places, those ones who move to different places of work, they keep on writing. Like this month, they have spent a lot of money on transport. What about next month? They keep on what? Reducing or keeping those documents so that in future, they see how to utilize all those documents. Then we have here medical care. Medical care. Are we together? For example, in our home, how many people fell sick this month? How many people fell sick last month? Are we together? So they keep on keeping those records and they say, this month we spent a lot of money on medication. Are we together? So mom, dad keeps on keeping those records. Then we have also electricity bills. How do you use electricity at home? Do you misuse? If you don't misuse still, the bills will indicate, oh, you'll not be overspending. You can be loading only 10,000 or 20 like that. But if you keep on misusing, instead of 10, you can go to 20 like that. So dad or mom keeps on keeping those records. Then what about school fees? Still they keep on those records, those bank slips. They say that this time I've only paid it once. The balance is remaining this amount of money. So that you don't again end up maybe the bursar telling you another thing that you did not You did not pay the whole school fees. Yet you paid. You paid some 200,000. So you keep on keeping your records that this month I've paid only 100. Next month, you keep on keeping those records so that when anything happens, they chase you for school fees, you're able to present those bank slips. Are we together? That is good. Then even clothes. How much have you spent buying clothes this month? How much have you spent buying clothes last month? So they keep on keeping those records. Is that one clear? So when they tell you, give some examples of records kept at home. You can talk of water, talk of food, electricity, water, and so on. When they tell you what is record keeping or what are record keeping, just say are documents kept for future use. Let us first see also examples of records kept at school. Do you know that even schools keep records? They do keep records. so that they don't cheat them. 1. Money spent on food, the portion you eat at school, the beans. Yes, they keep on keeping those records so that they don't overspend. Then we have water. The water used at school. Still the directors keep on what? Keeping those records. At the end they say, this month we overspent money on water. Then next month they see how much they will spend. Then furniture. Yes. Maybe in a term, children misuse the desks and they got broken. At the end, they will end up buying other desks. They still keep on writing that this term we have bought 100 desks. What about salaries for teachers? Still they keep on keeping those records. Yes, they say this teacher is being paid this amount of money, the other teacher is being paid this amount of money. Then they total. How much have they all received? They see that amount. Are we together? Then we have construction. Maybe they need to build another class, or they need to renovate. I getting? Still they keep on keeping those records. They see how much have they spent on construction. Then even they have to keep the number of pupils per class. They record each class. Have you ever seen that we go around recording you in every class? How many are you? Who is absent? We keep on recording so that if we see that this one class has 50, are we together? 50 children or 50 pupils. P2 has 60. Are we together? P3 has how many? Then after that we sum up. We total all of them and we see the total number of children in a particular school. Then here they are saying the importance of record keeping. How useful are record keeping? Are we together? 1. To avoid being cheated. When you keep records, no one can cheat you. Did you know that? No one can cheat you because you have already your documents. You have been writing how much have you spent on this. Who has not brought school fees? Yes? That's why in classes there, they come with what? With a list. Branding. Tell daddy, remind daddy that they are demanding this school fees because we have records. We have all those ones who have paid and those ones who have not paid. Are we together? Yes. So no one can cheat. So it you say to avoid being cheated. Helps people to know what to be paid for. For example, if I realize that maybe this month I have not paid the water, so you have to go and pay the water bills. Are we together? Or you either use your phone or you go directly to those offices, then you pay for water. So they are saying it helps people to know what to be paid for because already you have your list. Then here I said reduces on expenditure. Reduces on expenditure. Then here helps to plan well for the next time. For example, if you have misused things this month, next month you can plan very well. Are we together? That is good. So the activity about record keeping is going to be on your hard copy. But remember, if they tell you what are record keeping, what will you say? Are we together? Just simply say documents kept for future use. Which documents are kept at school, at home? You should know these items here. Yes? Examples of records kept at home, examples of records kept at school. Are we together? Again, not if they say give at least 2 examples of records kept at home, you say salaries. Now salaries for what? Maybe for maids if you have maids. Are we together? But simply you say salaries under what? Under schools. Are we together? Thank you very much, children of primary 3, for listening to me. Stay home and stay safe.